After over 9,000 lawyers signed petition asking for a remark of the AGF Malami's law school exam papers, Malami cries out, "You will be surprised and thoroughly shocked by what he said." I mean, this guy feels very much like he's been winched on. And I don't think there should be a problem if, really, truly speaking, his papers he wrote his exam, he passed them. They are only asking that his exams be remarked, that his scripts be remarked. And guess what? It means that if it was marked with mercy, it's going to be, marked with correct standard and what have you. We don't know why, the Attorney General of the Federation is afraid, but anyway, he has started accusing the NBA's president of being behind this, and the NBA president and others for wanting to humiliate him and what have you. They have called that immediately his exam, the law school exam that he passed, which qualified him to be a lawyer in the first place, those papers be recalled and marked again to see if really truly he passed those exams. Attorney General is crying out. Please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. This was made known by lawyer barrister Austin Nwobofo in a post on his official Twitter handle how the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice has been crying out on everything that has been going on recently. He said over 9,000 signed petition demanding the remark of Malami's law school exam paper. Malami cries out in his office. Suspect says he suspects Akpati for being responsible for his travail and ordeal. Meanwhile, this is not the first time a petition will be launched against the Attorney General. The Attorney General says he's ready and willing to ensure that anyone who wants to frustrate and bring his reputation down is brought to justice immediately. In 2020, lawyers starting a petition to strip Attorney General of the rank of the senior advocate of Nigeria. Now this call is coming again. The petition followed the amendment that the Attorney General of the Federation has made, ruling out professional conduct of legal practitioners, which has been since 2007. The requirement for MBA states that the seal of court proceedings was removed in the amendment, creating room for non-lawyers to submit court cases. This has triggered lawyers on their own willingly to say, let us remark this. However, this has not gone down well with the Attorney General of the Federation, who feels very strongly that his papers have no need to be real marked. So this is what is happening. The Attorney General of the Federation, his papers will be remarked. Calling this call is being made, by the people saying that it is time the Attorney General of the Federation papers are looked at and remarked. However, how can we really sort this out? How sincerely can we really sort this out? Can the papers truly, be remarked? Are we going to keep quiet and allow these things to happen? Are we going to just be silent about it and pay no attention? There are some things that are going on now, and everyone needs to pay attention. The papers of the Attorney General of the Federation are being demanded by other lawyers that his papers should be remarked because they feel very strongly that he has not done what he should do. They feel very strongly that he has not passed the exams. Don't forget that it could be possible that the Attorney General of the Federation papers, it could be possible that he did not, it could have been that he attended Islamic school. It's possible. I didn't say he attended it. It could be. It's a statement of, it could be an option. It could be a certainty. Okay, it may not be true. It may be true. So because there is really no reason. Remember, as soon as the call for his part to be remarked came, we saw that immediately the Attorney General of the Federation, the northern, lawyers began to rise up, saying that it is wrong for, anybody to call for the Attorney General of the Federation papers to be marked, and they said they should ensure that this is, stopped. That they should not humiliate the Attorney General of the Federation. He's a sincere person, he's a sincere man, blah, 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 blah. And so this has been happening, and this has been on for a while now. This has been going on. So my people, this is part of what is happening, part of what is going on. And everybody, the Attorney General has done a lot, so much so that even lawyers are against him. Recently, we saw what he did. We saw how the Attorney General of the Federation, not yet proven, allegedly, ensured that, Mary's Odili's home was invaded. And Mary Odili's home, she's supposed to be one of the most senior lawyers in the country, aside of the most senior advocates of the country, the person of Mohammed Takwa. You see, so if, for instance, for any reason, she's supposed to be number one, first of all, what they intend to do is to ensure that, she's threatened, and she obeys them, and they can, oppress her and what have you. So these are some of the things ongoing. These are some of the things happening. It is a wake-up call. It's a sincere call for truth in what we're experiencing today. We cannot continue to pretend that these things are not happening. We cannot continue to pretend. Anyway, my people, we're just bringing you up to date that lawyers have been calling for Attorney General's papers to be remarked. And what he can say, all the Attorney General can say is that, this is rather very unfortunate. His papers should not be remarked. You see, say this is rather very unfortunate. He cries out saying he doesn't want this to happen for any reason, for any reason. This is why we must all stand up together, and we must speak out for truth. Why will he be, if he had passed his exam properly and thoroughly, there is no reason whatsoever for him to say is that his papers should not be remarked. There is no reason whatsoever. No reason. No reason whatsoever. You see, so this is part of what is going on. This is part of what is happening. Please leave us a comment. Do not forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. Let it count. God bless you. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. Bye for now.